I just took out my phone right away because I heard a meow. I'm gonna look, there's a meow coming from here. Where is it? Oh, there we go. There we go. Hey, little kitten. Little fella. Little orange one. You talkative? Yes, you are. Are you gonna come up here? I can't come down there. Are you able to come up here? Hold on, let's figure this out. Hold on, let me get a close up. You gonna jump? Are you gonna jump? Kitty, kitty, let's figure this out. Okay, you're clever. Look at you, how clever you are. Of course, you guys are the most clever kitties ever. Oh, boo. What happened to your ear right there? Oh. Hello. So sweet. So cute. So talkative. And purring. And purring. Come on. Let me put you up here. Do you mind if I put you up here on this wall? Be careful, okay? Be careful. Hello. Look at this boy. You got a nice place here, though. Yeah, it's protected. You got lots of places to hide. And you clearly have received lots of human love. Look at you. Look at you, little fella. What happened to your ears? Huh? Gotta fix that. Let me see whether I have a cream for your ears. Yeah? It was lovely to see you, kitty kitty. I'm gonna give you some food. With your support, we can keep these kitties happy. Yeah? Oh, be careful, be careful. I got some basic ointment for your ears. Are you gonna let me put it on your ears? No. It'll protect your ears. Okay, a little bit from the sun as well. Okay, you gotta be careful in the sun. You don't have much hair on your ears. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. Yeah, you're so cute. Yeah, what's that eekiness on your ears? If you want to help me help these cats, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you so much. It means the world to me and definitely to this kitty. Thank you. Thank you.